Good day, students. This is science class for grade 6, chapter 1 Food. Where does it come from? In the last class, we learned in detail the three main categories of feeding habits of animals. They were herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous animals. Other than these animals, there are special groups of animals with special eating habits. They include the scavengers, decomposers, and parasites. Scavengers are the animals which consume only the dead bodies of the other animals. They consume or they eat only the dead bodies of the other animals. Examples: crow, vulture, etc. And then you have the decomposers. Decomposers, here the organisms break down the dead remains of the plants and animals, and these organisms are bacteria, fungi. So these organisms break down the dead remains of plants and animals, and so they are called as decomposers. The animals which eat the dead bodies of other animals are called as scavengers. So here the difference between scavengers and decomposers are: the scavengers, they eat dead bodies, and here decomposers break down the dead remains. Scavengers and decomposers play a very important role in keeping our surroundings clean. And next we have parasites. So parasites are the very small organisms which live inside the other living organisms. They live inside the other living organisms. And the organisms which give food and shelter to these parasites are called host. So the examples of the parasites are the leeches, and then fleas, tapeworm. So all these are parasites which depend and they live on inside the other living organisms. Your leeches, they suck blood from the humans and other animals. So tapeworm and hookworm are the parasites which live inside the bodies of some animals. So they depend and survive on other living organisms. Here, the leeches, they suck blood. They do not live inside the bodies of some animals, but they suck blood. And even mosquito, it is a parasite which sucks the blood from the humans. Tapeworm and you have one more, the hookworm. So the tapeworm and the hookworm are the parasites that live inside the body of some animals. So overall, the parasites are the small organisms that depend, survive, or live inside the other living organisms. Did you get this, students? And the last topic we have is avoiding wastage of food. There are people who do not get sufficient food due to one reason or the other. The people, especially children who do not get food in sufficient quantity, become victim of malnutrition. What is malnutrition? Malnutrition is a condition in which a person does not get enough food. A person does not get enough food or enough nutrients for the proper function of its body. And this may be due to not eating enough food in right amount also. So we need to find a ways in which the production of the food can be increased in our country. And due to malnutrition, the people suffer from many diseases, isn't it, students? Yes. So we need to find ways where we have to increase the food production in our country. So we must avoid the wastage of food for this. Okay. To increase the food production in our country, we need to avoid the wastage of food. And how we can avoid the wastage of food? That is by storing the food that is produced in the proper way. That is, food should not be allowed to get spoiled or eaten away by rats or the squirrels. Okay, that is, food should not be allowed to get spoiled. Food should not be allowed to get spoiled. And then we should not leave food uneaten in our plates. Whether we are eating at home or in a party, we should take as much food in our plate as is required. Is this clear to you all? So we should not leave food uneaten. We should not leave food uneaten in our plates. And also we should not overeat. We should not overeat. We should eat only that much quantity of food that is required by our body. Overeating not only leads to obesity, but it is also the cause of the food wastage. And excess eating too much is not good on our part, and it is not good for our health. And also we must take care that food is easily available to each one of us. Is it clear, students? Thank you, students.